What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price. As you can see, we did close a daily candle beneath this support level. Are we going to go to much lower levels? Are we going to have a massive big wick? I'm going to talk to you about the big major support ranges where we could get a bounce, and also major resistance here, looking at the 4 hourly, the 2 hourly, where we could get rejected. And if we do break it to the upside with big volume, then I can show you what major support levels that we could have to get a big bounce to continue to the upside. Now, we're also going to take a look at Ethereum here on the 4 hourly chart on the daily, so make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to on Bitcoin crypto. Also do live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in, guys. If this video gets over 2,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin, guys. Let's analyze the situation. Okay, I don't want to repeat myself too much, but we are actually dropping below this major support line of this uptrend. As you can see, ascending channel, closing daily candles right now. Let's see if this daily candle is going to close beneath this major support level. Are we going to get a massive recovery? Like I showed you on yesterday's video, we do have pretty strong support at the 37.7k levels. Why? Because we do have the ascending trend line here from these higher lows, from these wicks, okay, as you can see, which would be around about this level, okay, around about the 37.7 if we are going to reach this range in between today and tomorrow. And we also have the daily and weekly level at 37.7, 37.8k range, okay, super important level that we could probably get a bounce, okay. This is a massive demand zone, okay? I wouldn't be surprised getting a wick beneath these lows, all right? Because it's like a supply grab, it's a liquidity grab, and then potentially get a big, massive bounce, okay, guys? So this is a potential scenario that we could expect in the next coming days. Let's analyze the situation here for some major levels. Let's keep it nice and simple. Like I showed you also, that the 37.7k level is going to be very, very strong resistance. We can get this resistance from the bump and run out of the way at the moment, because we did get rejected, falling here to the downside. I'm going to leave it actually, just because it might be strong support if we do break above it. But what I want to show you here is that we are creating lower lows, right? We've just created another low. Remember this breakout from this daily level, this green horizontal line that I got here. We broke down, but it was a big, massive fake out. This was the moment where I was bullish, where I did place my long position, okay? Right over here, what's happened, I'm going to explain you the situation, because there was a fantastic scalp opportunity that did happen, okay, in between yesterday and today. But what I want to show you here with these lower lows is that we do have a potential support trend line, okay, from the lower lows. As you can see, from this low to this low, this is exactly round about the 37.7k range, okay? Plus minus a few $100 because of the insane volatility that this asset gives us. This doesn't mean that we're going to stop to this exact price and have a bounce. We could potentially have a wick here below this range and get supported with hourly, 4 hourly candles, and maybe get that bounce after this potential scenario, okay? This is something that we need to pay attention in the next coming hours, next couple of days, all right, just to see if this happens. So apart from that daily, weekly level, apart from the ascending trend line here from these higher lows, we have also got this trend line from lower lows, okay, that would be round about this level, okay, it would be around that range, around about the 37.6, 37.7, where we could get a bounce, all right? So this is something that we need to pay attention to. Now, resistance, let me just go to the 2 hourly chart here and show you, I'm going to zoom into the 1 hourly actually, this major daily level where we did get bounces as support. Look at this, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, okay, and even 5 here, just getting wicks down below. As soon as we had a solid breakout here on the 1 hourly with pretty high volume, guys, look at this, big volume, big breakout. Guess what? This turns into huge resistance, massive big scalp opportunity right over here. We touched it to perfection, that daily level, as you can see, touched it to perfection, came back down to retest the lows. So that was a pretty nice quick scalp opportunity here, just a few hours of trade, as you can see, all the way down here to retest the lows at 38.6k levels. Now, the situation for BTC, what is going to happen? Well, if we do, like I said, if we do drop, I am looking at those major levels for a potential bounce. If we do have a big, massive pump in the next coming hours, potentially, if this does happen, we do know that we have very, very strong resistance. Looking at the 1 hourly chart, I know that the $40,400 range is super, super strong resistance. We got the daily levels, all right? So it's going to be very, very hard to become bullish, all right, on these major retest of resistance levels. We're probably just going to get rejected or rejected or rejected. For me to become bullish and look for support levels, then I would need a breakout of the $40,400. It's the strongest level of point of control here, looking at the volume traded in between the 10th of April till today. Biggest point of control, and we have seen before, it's been massive, big resistance, support also, then finally breaking down. So if we do come up to that level, this is going to be very, very strong resistance. It might be a good shorting opportunity to continue this kind of downtrend, right? Okay, so this is something that we're also going to eye, depending on what kind of consolidation, depending on what kind of wicks that we do have here. If we do come up to this level, it might be a good shorting opportunity, guys. So this is something that we'll be analyzing, in between today, tomorrow with live stream also. Remember, down below, you got an insane bonus on Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform, up to $4,620 that can be claimed on the platform. Prime XBT, my favorite for day trading, you get up to $7,000 worth of bonus. You basically get 7% added to your initial deposit. All the info is down below for these exchanges, guys. This is going to be it for the BTC analysis. Let's just jump in here quick into Ethereum, because Ethereum is pretty curious here, because we are also in this kind of ascending channel, right? Looking from January till today, over 4 months, creating these higher highs and higher lows. But we need to remember that we are coming from a pretty aggressive downtrend from the all-time high of November. So let's just, we are range trading this. We are range trading. What I want to show you here on Ethereum is the big support levels that we do have. If we do see Bitcoin dropping, then obviously Ethereum very likely is going to drop with Bitcoin. And what major levels are there beneath us? What strong levels are there? Well, I can already tell you that this level over here, I'm talking about the $2,730 approximately, is very, very strong level here. It's a daily level that we haven't tapped it as support yet, so we could get a bounce from this region. I'm talking about in between 2,700 and 2,800. Let's wait for the next coming hours, a couple of days potentially, if we do get that volatility at this range, and then potentially we could see a big, big bounce. Also, we do have the higher lows here from the wicks, as you can see, which would be around about the 2,670 approximately, if this is going to be in the next couple of days. And what also we do have is the reason why we are getting a little bit of consolidation at this range. If we take this low here to the highs, we are just about to hit the 618. We've just hit the 618 Fibonacci from this low to this high. And if we take the ultimate low from this year, which is here around about the $2,161 approximately from January, the ultimate low from this year to the ultimate high from this year, then if we take a look at the fib levels from the low to the highs, we still got room to come all the way down to the 618 level, which is the $2,700. So we've got a major daily level, we got a major Fibonacci 618 level, and we've also got the higher lows from this ascending channel. It's going to be a very important zone here to see if we are going to manage to consolidate, to see some strength, okay, from the potential bulls defending this level for a potential bounce. So this is what I got for today's episode. Very interesting zone here at $2,700 range, okay, plus minus, $50 because of the volatility. Very interesting to see how Ethereum is going to react at that range, guys. This is going to be it for this update, guys. Thank you very much for joining today's video. Make sure to subscribe. If I can do a live stream, I'll do a live stream, but I'll be definitely doing at least 5 live streams this week. So make sure to subscribe. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.